on TikTok. It was one of the Reddit stories.
Oh, I actually hurt my hamstring.
Ew, I actually hurt my hamstring. Don't you stitch him?
Oh!
That's some pretty strong language.
What?
The post. He's losing his mind over.
Wait, did your camera get that?
Yeah.
Oh.
High five.
Ow! No! Well, it looks the same because my hands are. Eddie, stop it.
Grilled cheese. Grill me a cheese.
What the heck does that mean?
That video from
I've
last
never
night,
seen
guys.
that.
I literally showed it to you last night and I said, this is you.
What was last night? Oh.
Jerry's house?
Oh.
I don't remember.
Whoa. Wait. Why am I so? Oh, because the thing's wrong. That's why. Okay. Another selfie. Yeah, that was. I couldn't play the end. You heard that?
When I high-fived you?
Oh, yeah.
That's a dash cam footage, Maddie.